Man, is that good. Woo hoo hoo hoo. Fish on. Wow, nice little walleye, pan size. Nice walleye. That is a good size walleye. We're gonna measure him up, see if he's below 18 inches, keep him or let him go. 17 and a half. This one feels like that is awesome. So cool. Woohoo! Look at that. That's our fourth pan-sized walleye for the day. That is awesome. We're gonna do a catch and cook for you guys. I'm gonna pull out my barbecue, fillet these, toss these in flour, breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper right here by the water. Woo! Walleye catch and cook. After all that, it's finally time to taste these. Oh man. Oh man. That really doesn't get any better. That was the best breakfast I had all week. Not a single cloud all day. It slowed down as soon as the sun came above the horizon. The light intensity really dumbed it down for these fish, but we still made it happen. Man, is that good. Love that. Just want to say thank you to everyone who's been watching my videos and all the support. Thumbs up to you guys, that is amazing. I had a really good time filming and editing this video for y'all. This was the walleye catch and cook. Peace out.